In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're going to clean up your browser's search options by removing Bing from your list of available search engines. This is helpful if you're streamlining your setup or troubleshooting search redirects, and it only takes a moment. Start by opening your browser menu. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the 3 vertical dots. This is the main menu in Chrome, and it's where you'll find most of the tools and controls you'll ever need. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all your browser preferences. Don't worry, we're only changing a safe reversible option today. On the Settings page, find the section labeled Search Engine. It's usually listed in the left sidebar, and it controls which service your address bar uses when you type a query. Click Search Engine to open those options. Next, select Manage Search Engines. This area shows every search provider Chrome knows about, including your current default and any others that were added by sites or extensions. It's a good place to review what's installed and tidy up anything you don't need. Now, locate Bing in the list. You'll see a row for it with some details and a 3-dot menu to the right. Click those 3 dots next to Bing to open the Actions menu for that specific entry. This menu lets you edit, make default, or remove the entry. Choose Remove. This tells Chrome to delete Bing from your available search engines, so it no longer appears in suggestions or gets switched to accidentally. Removing it here only affects your browser's list. It doesn't uninstall anything from your computer. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to do this. Click Remove again to confirm. That's it. Bing is now gone from your search engine list. If you ever need it back, you can add it again later by visiting a Bing results page or by adding it manually in the same Manage Search Engines area. A quick tip, if you don't see the Remove option, it likely means Bing is set as your default search engine. Make sure another provider is set as default first, then come back and remove Bing. Also, after changes like this, you typically don't need to restart your browser, but refreshing your Settings tab can help you see the updated list immediately. You've successfully streamlined your search setup. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to review a step.